When you're ready to retire or leave work, we want to be sure that you understand your rights and responsibilities so that you don't lose your opportunity to enroll in PEBB retiree coverage now or in the future. I'll give you a general review about eligibility and enrollment that may be helpful to most of you, but please remember the rules about enrolling in retiree coverage can be complex, and each person's individual circumstances deserve individual attention. So we always advise you to read our materials, call us at our customer service center, or stop by our office to discuss your individual needs. You have an important personal responsibility to manage your own retiree coverage, and we want to help you to comply with the rules and make informed decisions. Today I'm going to be talking with Norm about his retiree insurance coverage. Thanks for coming in today, Norm.
Thanks, Tim. Thinking about retiring, and I know you have to plan in advance, so I've been planning. I've talked with Department of Retirement Systems, found out when I'm eligible to retire. I've talked to PEBB, and I found out that I'm eligible for retiree health insurance. So my wife's given me this little list of questions, and I hope you don't mind. Actually, there's several questions that I need answered so I know how to plan.
Sure. Well, congratulations on your retirement. That's a proud accomplishment and a big milestone.
I'm pretty excited. What do I need to do to enroll in PEBB coverage?
What I want you to know is that it's important to enroll on time. So you have 60 days from the date that you retire to enroll or defer your PEBB retiree coverage. That means we need to know whether you intend to enroll now or defer your coverage until a later date.
What kind of paperwork am I going to need to fill out?
Well, we do need paperwork from you, and we need it on time whether you're going to enroll or defer your coverage. The PEBB program will also need a copy of the enrollment forms that we sent you so that we know when you want your coverage to start. We need to know whether you will include your dependents on your coverage, for instance, your wife, and which health plan you want to choose. These forms are available on our website and in the retiree guide.
When do I need to get the paperwork in?
We need to receive your paperwork back within 60 days from the date you lose your other medical coverage. For instance, the plan that you have now through your employer.
So once I get the paperwork into PEBB, how much is this retiree coverage going to cost me?
The monthly premium rate for each of the medical and dental plans is published in the retiree guide and on our website. You need to know that rates for retirees are probably much higher than rates you paid when you were working. The reason is because rates for employees are usually subsidized by the employer. Also, the rules of the PEBB program require retirees who are entitled to Medicare must enroll in Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B. Premium rates for retirees with Medicare are the amount you pay for PEBB coverage. There is a separate monthly premium for Medicare Part B coverage that you pay to Medicare. Typically, this is a deduction from your Social Security check.
How am I going to pay for my coverage? What kind of options do I have?
Well, we certainly advise people to consider pension deduction. That's a nice way to make sure that there's no glitches in terms of your payments getting to us on time. PEBB does offer electronic funds transfer, so if you'd like to have money deducted from your personal savings account or checking account, we can do that. And of course, we would accept a personal check or money order. If you choose pension deduction, your premium is taken from your month-end pension check. If you pay by personal check or money order, then you're going to send your monthly payment to the Washington State Healthcare Authority, and the mailing address is in your retiree guide.
When I am retiring, could I choose a different plan than I have now?
You can choose a different plan when you retire. We want to make sure that the plan you choose in retirement fits your own lifestyle needs, and those may be different than when you were working in the state system or in the K-12 or educational districts. Monthly premium payments for employees are subsidized, so the rates are higher for retirees, and we want you to make a fully informed decision when you retire about what the best coverage is for you and your family.
So would I also be able to have dental coverage with my retiree health insurance?
You sure can. You can continue your dental coverage. It's important for you to know that if you enroll in medical coverage and dental coverage, you need to maintain your dental coverage for at least 2 years, and everyone who's covered on your family account must be enrolled in the same dental plan that you choose.
What if I had other health insurance and maybe I just wanted to have dental only?
At this time, we don't have dental-only coverage.